Hello everyone! Welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever imagined your orchid producing multiple flower spikes continuously, with dense buds and vibrant blooms all year round? Today, I'm going to share a completely natural and extremely simple orchid care recipe that anyone can do, yet delivers surprising results. Using only familiar ingredients from your kitchen, you can help strengthen orchid roots, create glossy leaves, stimulate long flower spikes, and promote evenly developing buds. When applied correctly, your flowers will bloom uniformly, last longer, and shine brilliantly, even consecutively throughout the season. Let's explore each step together so your orchids are not only healthy, but also become a stunning highlight in your garden. Let's get started. As usual, about 30 minutes before fertilizing, I gently water the orchid to rinse it. This is not just a routine step. It's an essential preparation that helps the roots get ready to absorb nutrients. The clean water evenly soaks into the growing medium, washing away dust, salt residue, and accumulated substances around the roots, creating a fresh and airy environment for the plant. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. This light moisture also awakens the young root tips, helping them expand, boost metabolism, and activate their nutrient absorption process. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients can quickly penetrate and spread evenly through the root system, making the leaves thicker, shinier, and the shoots and flowers grow evenly, vibrant, and long-lasting. After rinsing, let the plant rest for about 30 minutes so the roots can drink the water and start transporting nutrients. In the meantime, we'll move on to preparing the organic fertilizer. The first ingredient I'm using is rice. Rice provides natural starch and minerals that nourish the roots, leaves, and young shoots. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a blender jar. Then, I close the lid and start blending. Blending helps fully release the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from the rice, creating a smooth and uniform mixture that easily penetrates the roots and nourishes the leaves, new shoots, and flower buds, helping them grow strong, evenly, and with lasting color. After blending, we'll get a fine powder-like mixture just like this. Next, I pour the blended rice powder into another cup and add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Then, I stir the mixture thoroughly. Stirring helps the nutrients in the rice dissolve evenly, preventing sediment buildup and allowing the solution to be absorbed quickly and distributed evenly throughout the plant. Finally, I cover it and let it sit for about 3 hours. This resting process helps activate and release the maximum amount of nutrients from the rice, This is ginger, the next ingredient I'm going to use. I'll slice about 5 pieces of ginger. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. And chop them finely. Ginger contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with essential oils and antioxidants, which help protect orchid roots from diseases, improve nutrient circulation, and strengthen the plant's resistance for healthy growth. After that, I put the chopped ginger into a jar. Next, I add 500 milliliters of warm water and let it sit for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, once the ginger has infused into the water, I strain out the residue and keep only the pure extract. This extract is rich in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and natural antimicrobial compounds that help orchids absorb easily, strengthen their roots, keep the leaves glossy, and stimulate even healthy flower bud development. After 3 hours, the rice solution has fully infused into the water. I gently stir the mixture to make sure the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals are evenly distributed, ensuring the orchid receives a balanced source of nourishment. Next, I strain out the residue, keeping only the clear rice extract. This step helps make the solution smoother and easier for the roots and leaves to absorb, allowing the plant to take in nutrients more efficiently. Once both solutions are ready, we'll pour them together into one container and stir well. Then, add 1 liter of room temperature water to dilute the mixture. And that's it. Our organic fertilizer is now ready to use. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe both sides of each orchid leaf. When wiping the leaves, dust and residue on the surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. This also helps prevent bacteria, mold, and pests from attacking, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, rice is rich in starch, B vitamins, and natural minerals, while ginger contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. The combination strengthens the leaves' resistance, maintains proper moisture, thickens the leaf texture, and promotes a safe, healthy growing environment for the plant. In addition, wiping both sides of the leaves with the rice and ginger solution stimulates metabolism, helping nutrients penetrate deeply into leaf cells, nourishing new shoots and supporting stronger root activity. For best results, this method should be applied once or twice a week to keep the leaves clean and ensure optimal nutrient absorption without causing rot or damage. As a result, your orchids will have shiny green leaves, strong roots, evenly growing shoots and flower spikes, and vibrant, long-lasting blooms. Method 2. I continue by pouring the prepared solution into a watering can. Then, I gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides an abundant source of natural nutrients from the rice extract, but also adds natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from the ginger, helping the plant develop comprehensively from roots to leaves. Rice is rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen root growth, making them firm and healthy, while also promoting lush, glossy green leaves and strong new shoots. Meanwhile, ginger stimulates metabolic activity and protects the plant from harmful bacteria and fungal infections. Thanks to this combination, orchids develop a strong root system that efficiently absorbs nutrients while producing new glossy leaves, evenly growing flower buds, and vibrant, long-lasting blooms. Therefore, you should apply this watering method once a week during the recovery phase, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times a month to maintain steady nutrition. When watering, do it evenly and gently to avoid waterlogging. This helps the roots absorb nutrients effectively, while keeping the growing medium airy and preventing fungal diseases. Method 3. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and evenly mist the entire orchid, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the rice and ginger solution allows nutrients to be absorbed evenly across all parts of the plant, providing vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. This creates a protective layer that shields the plant from bacteria, fungi, and pests. When sprayed evenly, the orchid's leaves become glossy and vibrant, the foliage grows thicker and stronger, and the leaf axils are well nourished. Meanwhile, the aerial roots around the base also absorb nutrients from the solution that settles on the growing medium. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate deeply and evenly, maximizing the plant's protection and absorption. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. With consistent application, your orchid will develop in a balanced way, with glossy green leaves, strong roots, healthy shoots, and vibrant, long-lasting blooms each season. After each spraying session, allow the orchid to rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can fully absorb the moisture and nutrients, maintaining strong vitality and lasting resistance. If water droplets remain on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off using a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This step is essential, as standing water creates an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to grow. By drying the leaves, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, crown rot, and other common orchid diseases. With dry, clean leaves, the roots can function more efficiently, nutrient absorption is optimized, and photosynthesis occurs more effectively. As a result, your orchid grows in balance, with glossy leaves, strong roots, and well-prepared shoots and flower buds ready for healthy, even growth. Results. After 2 months, your orchid now has deep green, glossy, and thick leaves, with new shoots bursting with vitality. These healthy leaves perform photosynthesis efficiently, nourishing all the young shoots. The root system has developed strongly, with many plump, white roots firmly anchoring into the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally. Overall, the orchid is visibly healthier. Notably, the flower buds and spikes grow evenly and robustly, ready to produce vibrant blooms. The buds are abundant, large, brightly colored, and long-lasting. The flowers open continuously, creating a pot full of life and radiant beauty for several weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for your consistent care. When properly nurtured, the orchid responds with abundant vitality and naturally stunning flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the latest orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.